Was I stressed? Yes. It's gonna look good in a minute. Give it a second. Hello, this is Queen. Ni hao. So y'all, it's not even the morning. I'm still wearing pajamas. I need to wash my hair because my scalp is very dirty. It's been like 2 weeks. Disregard how, you know, frizzy my roots are. It's gonna look good in a minute. Give it a second. But I need to wash my hair because it is very necessary. Y'all, I got so much going on. As you can tell, I'm in a different bathroom. Watch my previous video. Well, past 2 videos, it'll explain why I'm here. But yeah, I'm, you know, in Chicago suburb, chilling like a villain. And now it's time to wash my hair. You know, we're still on my hair growth journey. So I'm using this Goddess Strength and Length system, and it's a fortified shampoo. I bought this like a month ago. I've been using it on and off along with this shampoo because I get flakes sometimes and dry scalp, so that helps out a lot. So usually I use this once a week, and all the other weeks that I wash my hair, I use this. And honestly, I feel like I've experienced a lot of growth. Like, look at that. That's a lot. It used to be like, I think I've had this for like 3 weeks now, these locks. I think my hair has grown out quite a bit. I think this shampoo might be working, but you know, it could just be my natural growth of hair. Plus it's the summer and your hair typically grows faster in hot seasons. Yeah, that's it. Let's get in the shower and wash my hair. All right. In a bed. Let's go back to my voiceover. Hello. Okay, so washing my hair as usual. You know how it goes. Soak in my face. Unnecessary part, but doing it. So I added my shampoo directly to my scalp because obviously the end parts aren't my real hairs. So just going directly on my scalp and saturating my scalp, making sure it gets every orifice of my scalp because no crumb should be left behind. And when I say crumb, I mean dandruff because it's not cute. And then I go in with my shampoo brush. Found this online. You can find one anywhere. I was just too lazy to leave my house. So yeah, massage my scalp, then rinse it out. I only do one wash because I don't want to overly strip my hair. So I'm making sure I'm like really gentle, and that's why I went in with the shampoo brush because I didn't want to make more frizz than I had to. Plus it's already frizzy, so it was time for extra frizz. It just looks dumb if you have too much. Now going in with my conditioner, you know, my Tingling Tea Tree Trader Joe's conditioner. Love it. It's been my Old Faithful for years, and I just put that all over my scalp. I don't leave it on for long. I literally just put it on and then rinse it right off, but I massage it in, so it makes my scalp feel all tingly, which is why it's my favorite. It feels so good. And then I go in with some more just to make sure I get the back and the sides and make sure they're all sleek and lay down. Yeah, looking at the back of my head, it just, yeah, I'm about to have to retire this hair soon. But don't say anything because I know. It's okay. Anyways, I'm going to rinse it out. And really be careful with like how I kind of like maneuver my hair, because I don't want my actual hair to come out of the twist because they're just raveled inside, and I just squeeze out the extra water out of my hair because it's heavy. Hello, it's very heavy. Just making sure I get out everything, and I thoroughly rinsed out all the conditioner because you don't really need extra. Now we're done. Oh, and then also I wanted to really make sure my hair was dry because it was really holding on to that water, so I just went in with the towel. And I don't usually go in with a towel with my actual hair unless it's a microfiber towel, but this is a regular one and it's not my real hair, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. But yeah, and that's it. Looks so fresh and so clean. I'll flip my hair. This is what I've been using. Miracle Grow CBD hair oil. Alright, and that's literally it. That's all I do. And then headscarf, minimize frizz. Boom. That's all she wrote. Good morning. It's the next morning, yeah. I'm tired. Anyways, I didn't do a hair reveal. This is what it looks like the next day after my hair's all dry. It looks a lot better. I did take a peek and then wrapped it back up. So I can show you guys. Wow! Look at that. Less frizz, far more neat. Looks good. My scalp feels good. It's not crusty anymore. I did just see a flake though. But it looks good. Not crusty. I got so many gray hairs now. I don't know what happened. Was I stressed? Yes. Anyways, that's all. Little bonus thing going on. But yeah, so much neater. It looks a lot cleaner. It's shiny. Yes, love that for myself. Anyways, okay, bye.